just gotta get it out of the way. I'm always promising that I'm gonna stick to a schedule, but the truth is I haven't been able to kind of do that, so I'm still figuring it out. But today I'm bringing you a spring haul because I think it was overdue, even though, you know, in London it's actually raining right now, I think. But you know what? I just wanted to get some inspiration. Honestly, I never thought I'd say this because I used to hate this kind of person, but I want the good weather. I just want the good weather. So I have this big box and then another huge one bag. Let's get into it. I bought all kinds of stuff. So we'll have like dresses and shirts and shoes because I really needed an upgrade on my wardrobe. Because I'm in London, it's also gonna be like a conservative spring haul. So yeah, a lot of sweaters kind of like this, which are sort of thin but needed. So this is the first sweater that I've actually been eyeing for so long. It's so bright and so fun, and I'm so excited because it's so baby soft. It has this little sparklies. It's totally my style and it's so fluffy. It is a bit like oversized, which I love. I love oversized sweaters, are the best. It's also like largely knitted, so it's not gonna be too hot. So if it's raining, you can put it on, or you can put it on like at nighttime if you're going out with your friends. I don't go out, but you know, if you do. Next thing I have, oh, this is the cutest. This is kind of like a transition piece. And I hope it's fluffy as well. And it's a sweater dress. And it's white and so cute and so oversized. It's kind of like a t-shirt, but because it's so oversized, it's like 3/4. And I really want to try it on, but it's so fluffy and cute. It's spring, but it's like London spring. I love that it's like cream and not like too white as well, because I usually don't really like to wear white. It makes me so pale. So the cream just kind of like complements my skin a little bit better. Oh my god, I'm absolutely in love. It's even cuter in person than it was on the website, which is usually not a thing, but I really like this. Absolutely beautiful. I cannot even put words to it. It's really cute. So we have our first pair of shoes. I actually have loads of sneakers. Like so many sneakers, and I've not got spring or summer shoes. And here's what they look like. They're kind of like ballet shoes, and they're pointed. The color is named Mocha, I think, and they're really elegant, so you can wear this daily. I hope they fit me well. I mean, this is their, I'm usually size 2. I'll settle for size 3 if they don't have the size 2 sometimes. But yeah, 2 is ideal, and I think these will be just the right fit. I hope they're not like too hard. I don't usually go for pointed shoes, but these I just thought were so adorable. So let's see. These weren't really comfortable. Also, I think I'm gonna take them back, even though they fit. They're like really super uncomfortable. So I don't think they're for me. Okay, the next piece is the only coat I got, I think. I'm not gonna lie to you, this box has been here for over a week because I haven't been in a mood to film. So that's how long I've had to stare at the box. So this is the coat. It's so cute. Again, it's very oversized, corally. It isn't too warm, which is good. Again, honestly, last year in London, I think I wore coats throughout the whole year. There were a few sunny days here and there. I don't think there was a single sunny 7-day week. So I don't know how summer's gonna be, but spring is not looking okay. I was kind of worried about the coat and about how it would fit my body, but it's actually really cute, and the color is just so springy and so bright and cute. And this one, I think, yeah, it was size 3 because they didn't have size 2. They were sold out size 2. They had it at some point, but it was sold out. How freaking cute are these? I've never had a pair of Mules. This is my first. But look, this is so bright and pink. I just can't. They do seem a little large. I hope they're not. I hope I can, like, especially because they're Mules, I hope I can walk without tripping on them. because they are really, really awesome. I've tried to look out and see if the number 2 has been in stock, but I don't think so. And again, they're a little pointed. I don't know what's going on with me. I think I'm going through like a change in my life. And yeah, honestly, I have no idea what I'd pair these with. I have no idea what the outfit would be like, but I'd be bombing anyway, right? Because I think these are super cute, but I'm super sad that they are a little big, so I'm gonna have to return. If the size 2 becomes available, I might order them, but the 3 is definitely too big for me, especially since it's an open shoe. I forgot I ordered this. This is a watch. It's like the cutest, tiniest little watch, and it came in this like little box. But oh my god, is it cute? It is adorable, and it was super affordable, and it just seems like really good quality, and I love that the black on black thing, but it is so cute. I could even wear it with this outfit, like, it's adorable. And the only other accessory I think I got was this. Okay, this is like the springiest thing I've bought. It's adorable. It's a clutch. It's like a beach clutch, but it's so cute, like a grapefruit, and I just thought it was really, really adorable just to hang around like this. So you can keep your things in here. It's not like I'm gonna walk around the streets with it, but for like vacation and beach weather, it's so adorable, and I just could not get it. Like, I was going through the ASOS website looking for spring items to buy, and like, how can I not get this one? This should be the thumbnail, to be honest. Okay, so we're done with the huge box, and we're gonna go ahead into the bag. Oh, okay. This is so cute. Sportswear summery bra. It has the little velvety polka dots, and it's really, really cute. I love like these type of triangle bras with no underwire, because I have like really tiny boobs and I love them. I love small boobs. Usually the ASOS ones are super comfortable and affordable, and at the same time they're really fun as well. I only got the bra. There was a bottoms part, but it was a G-string, and I don't do G-strings, so I didn't get it. But if they had it like a hipster type of thing, I would totally get it. I absolutely love this. I wish there were panties. I'm just gonna wear white panties, but I really, really like this. It's see-through, so I'm not gonna show it here, otherwise YouTube would take down the video. They already demonetized all the videos where I show like my belly and stuff, so yeah. I'm gonna wear this on top of my top. Moving on, first dress, it's this oversized, who's shocked, sort of like muted mint. It feels like linen, so it's super breathable, super summery, because it's gonna let the wind flow through your body, and also be really beautiful like under a cardigan or something. Yeah, like that. What else we got? Oh, now I remember, this is actually like a playsuit, like a short jumpsuit. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's so fresh. I thought it'd be a little bit more heavy, but it's really fresh. It might actually be a little transparent, so it's probably summer and not as much spring, but it's really, really adorable. I've had it on my wish list for like ages, and the sleeves are like, I don't know what these are called, but like fishy, you know, like fish. This one, the dress has another layer. I know what it's called in Portuguese, but not in English. It has like an inner layer, which prevents it from being transparent from the waist down, but this one doesn't. So this is like probably gonna be very, very summery. I like that it goes right up to here. I really love this type of style. Even in the summer, I think it's really cute. Yeah, this is totally see-through, so it's gonna be completely a summer thing, but I really, really like it. It's very comfortable on, and it's gonna be really, really good for the hot Portuguese summer. Oh, this is I was really excited about. This is from the ASOS White range. I don't know if you know this, but ASOS has a range of like minimalistic, more sophisticated pieces that are a little bit more expensive, but usually amazing. Sometimes they're a little like overpriced, but this one was not too expensive, and it was actually 20% off, I think, at the time I got it, and it's I don't know if you can see it, but it's a shirt. It's only gonna make sense when I try it on. But it's a really cute shirt that has some cutouts here and then a really big frill at the front. The fabric is really soft and it isn't too thin, so you could probably wear this now depending on the weather with something on top, but it's so flamboyant here that it would make no sense to like cover it. So it would probably be more of a springy thing because you can see the cutouts on the side especially as well. I don't think this can double as a dress, but it's definitely very like swingy. It's not like super fitted to my body, even though this is a size 6. You guys know I love shirts, and it's just a really, really modern take on a deconstructed shirt. And I know my mom's gonna love this. She's gonna want to copy the model and everything. But it is really, really adorable. I never thought I'd say this, but I think this would really look cute with heels. Even if you don't want, like, I don't own a single pair of heels. I went through a heels phase in college, and then I just had to have my surgery when I had my pneumothorax, so I couldn't wear heels for like a month or so, and then I just went back to sneakers, and I never went back because, oh my god, heels hurt! But I miss them sometimes in like fancy occasions where they're, you know, a little bit more sophisticated. Okay, this is the last clothing piece. I have also another pair of shoes. But this is another item that has been on my wish list for a few while, ever since its launch. So ASOS has actually also launched a new range of clothing, which is sportswear. ASOS 4505. They have amazing pieces. I wanted to get them all, to be honest. The leggings are gorgeous, but they're a bit expensive. And this was a bit expensive as well for what it is, but I just could not resist. It's kind of like a sports jacket. It's super thin and it has that material that is breathable, so you can use it to run or to start out your workout, because I've actually been going to the gym now and I need cute workout clothing. I love activewear and sportswear, and when I'm really super cute, I'm 10 times more motivated to do my workout. I don't know if you guys feel that way, but I do, and this is just really cute. I love that it's belted and very high quality, so now I understand like the pricing. It matches sort of Nike's, Adidas pricing. I think it's justifiable. Am in love with this, absolutely in love. I can't wait to try more of the ASOS 4505 range. It looks amazing. I especially want to try the leggings, as I said, but yeah, some of the tops as well. It really looks good. I have one of the vests on my wish list, so hopefully soon. The last item is a pair of shoes. I don't know what got over me, but I went crazy over these. I don't know if I'll keep them. I'll have to like try to wear them and try to make outfits with them, because I have no idea what that would look like. And they were so not me, but oh my god, aren't these like the cutest, like raunchiest boots you've ever seen? Again, this is a size 3. I don't actually think they had a size 2 in this one, but I'm not sure. I'll link it down below anyway. But they are so cute. They are so heavy and chunky and so unlike me. And again, they're heels, so I have nothing like this. They're so like detailed, but I can't wait to try them out. I hope they're comfortable, and I don't know. I have to see what I'll wear them with, but I'm really excited. It's like a challenge. I'm really excited to see if I can keep them, even if they're my style, because when I saw them, I was like, oh my god, that's such like a statement piece. They're like statement boots. I know if that's a thing, but that's what these are. They were insanely chunky. Oh my god, yes. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like this haul. I have so much cleaning up to do, and I'm probably set for a while, even though I love shopping, so you know, maybe I'll do a summer haul. Let me know if you'd like to see more fashion related videos as well. I'd love to do a like spring summer lookbook outside actually, which is something I've never done, but I think it would be really fun. Let me know if that's something you'd want to see. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the little bell button so you know every single time I'm uploading. And yeah, so I don't know when I'll be back. I don't know if I'm gonna stick to a schedule. Hopefully yes, but if I don't, you'll see me in the next one. Bye!